Apparently, Brian Kohberger does not want us looking at his crotch. Can't make it up. Can't make it up. I say that because last week his defense filed a motion to ban cameras from his courtroom. And this is what they said. Mr. Kohberger is entitled to defend himself against capital criminal charges without cameras focused on his fly. Okay, so this all stems from a recent court appearance that he had. It was all about DNA discovery. And I guess some social media user took a full image and zeroed in on his crotch. So a coalition of media outlets has gotten together to respond to this. Look at that. That's the photo that they're upset about. So the coalition of media outlets objected and said no photographs or camera coverage focused on Mr. Kohberger's fly. Rather, one random X user, that's the former Twitter, modified a photo showing Mr. Kohberger and a deputy entering the courtroom by cropping it to a very small size, focused on his belt and adding a reference to Mr. Kohberger's fly. So they are going to still deal with this issue. It hasn't been ruled on yet. So many other issues haven't been ruled on yet either. Joining me now, Kristen Cameron and Alina Smith are the moderators of the Facebook group University of Idaho Murders Case Discussion, now boasting more than 220,000 members. They've been following the case from the beginning. Ladies, good to have you back on the program. Alina, let me start with you. This is crazy, this discussion. What are the members saying about this whole Flygate?
Hi, Ashleigh. How are you?
Good to have you.
Good to see you. Well, to be honest, obviously we've been discussing this a lot on our page, and so this picture has, made its rounds on, on our posts and comments, and we honestly thought that, the discussions with him not having to wear the orange jumpsuit and just gets to wear, the suit and, what kind of privileges and the differences with that. And people thought that he may have had a stun belt around him. And that's why they were focusing in and zooming in on that. And honestly, that's what we were wondering. And those were the questions that we were asking on our page. And they were wondering that maybe that's what they were using instead of handcuffs or the cuffs around his feet. And maybe they had something called a stun belt, which I've never even heard of that. But that's what we were wondering.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, stun belts work. Oh, you betcha. You betcha. And stun belts really work. But that's a really good point. I'm so glad that you brought that up. I hadn't thought of that, but that does make a lot of sense. Yeah. And I know that the members are so meticulous about looking at every little detail. They're also very helpful in the investigation when they see those details. Christine, this whole business about waiving the right to the speedy trial, I think everybody was so excited for this to start in November. Was it such a deflation all of a sudden to hear that it's just not going to go as planned?
Yeah, obviously we were all really disappointed, but mostly we were disappointed for the families. We were all hoping that everything would be on course for October and the victims' families would have some sort of closure. But both sides, agreed more time would be beneficial for proper preparations. But let's face it, we expected this. And we don't want to be rushing through the trial and causing any reason whatsoever for the defense to seek a new trial.
Yeah, no, it makes perfect sense. Anything else, Alina, that the cyber sleuths are noticing?
We're just we were disappointed about the trial. So everyone's focusing now on other things. Obviously, the Gabriela Vargas has been a huge topic on our page, the genealogy expert. So that makes us talk about the DNA a lot. The timeline has become in question a lot, the difference between the 3 and 4 a.m. difference when that was the first timeline that the law enforcement gave us and then changed it to the 4 to 5 a.m. timeline. So they're just picking that apart, which, obviously it's just, there's nothing there to pick apart. But, they're just finding the DoorDash is being caught up, everything.
I have a feeling there's going to be some robust discussion when they have this hearing over the cameras in the courtroom. That's going to be
absolutely.
A big deal. Christine Cameron, Alina Smith, love having you on. Thank you both. It's good to see you, and we'll see you soon.
Nice to see you too. Thanks for having me.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider, and don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.